Carter coming to play with you? Oh, look at that.
Lots of good stuff. Lots of good things to but wait.
Go good. Get that.
Who's there?
Go get him, Roman. Go get him.
You just throw a dog in there. Remember that video I got of you and your brother kept running into the kitchen.
Oh,
Roman,
be careful.
honey.
Squeals of, no.
Run, crawl, Carter. Can you honk your horn, Roman? Honk the horn on your car. Yeah.
There you go.
Carter, you can't really.
There.
There, that's nice. Hey. Are you gonna share, Roman?
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Roman. Share with Carter.
Right.
Are you full now? I would think so.
That's right.
Because they've been eating here since I got here.
Somebody
What
else.
do you think, huh? Hi.
Each time I see him, he grows that much more.
They all do.
He's amazing.
Oh, yes, you definitely do.
Bad day, man.
How was your trip north?
It's good.
Well, now, you didn't sound too excited there, so
Yeah, it's good.
that was good.
A lot of boating and.
Well, we didn't go boating.
We'll be back.
Roman, what are you doing?
There.
Dump truck. Caterpillar dump truck. You got it for being.
There.
I think you got it for being the ring bearer at the wedding.
Oh, something new then.
Carter, where'd you go?
He's right over
Right
here.
there.
He's trying to.
Bye-bye.
Headed back this way.
Oh.
Hi. Where are you going?
Shopping.
Going shopping? What you gonna buy?
Whoa.
Fell out of your car.
You have to be careful.
What are you gonna buy when you go shopping?
Don't stand
Whoa,
up
there.
under there, bud.
Not going to work.
Not gonna work out so well for you.
Honk, honk. Get out of my way. It's just not going to work.
He'll learn eventually. Uh-oh. Roman got your ball.
How did your 12 hours go with the baby?
He did really well.
Did he?
Popped in baby Einstein and,
How about you? How'd you do?
well, how big's Carter? So big. So big.
Oh, you're having trouble standing up, Roman.
There.
There, got it fixed.
Can Carter use your car? Can Carter use your car? You should share it.
Oh darn, do I get hold of it?
Mom.
Hey, buddy dear. How you doing? Haven't seen you for a
little while.
Grandma gets to hold the baby. Well, I can see the resemblance now coming.
Yeah? You look like his brother?
Yeah, I'm starting to look more like his brother all the time.
Mom must have some testosterone going for her. That's what they told me when my kids got baby acne, it's the testosterone in your system.
Well, there he is standing up.